And so they do have the ball lock here. And checking this window out. That one locked. And then these doors just go out into that front room.
The heat in that room,
In the bedroom?
in his bedroom, doesn't work.
All right, so that heater is not working.
Kitchen in here.
All right, so kitchen and, okay, so we need,
That's your bedroom. Okay, yeah.
okay. So we have two baseboard heaters that are not working. And a big closet there. We're already here for a refrigerator repair. And this is just the other side of that closet. I hope you got some value and possibly some entertainment out of this. If you want to check out the full video, I'll have the link in the description below.